welcome to Greenmoxie. Today we're going to make campfire muffins, which sounds like an impossible thing to make on a campfire, but actually we can make them in a skillet and slice them up like a cake, or you can make them in your camping mugs. Today we're going to make one giant blueberry muffin in our camping skillet, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really easy and it's delicious, and having fresh baked goods on your campsite is definitely the way to start the day. Our skillet blueberry muffin recipe could not be easier. I like to mix the dry ingredients before I go, and so I put them in the Ziploc bag. It just means they don't take up a lot of space, they lie really flat, and they're good to go. So let's start by adding our dry ingredients. In here there's 1.5 cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3/4 cup of sugar. The wet ingredients are going to be an egg, 1/2 cup of oil, and 1/2 cup of milk. If this is not your first day camping, use powdered milk or evaporated milk. And to that I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla essence. You do get dried ground vanilla essence. If you would prefer to use that and put it in your dry ingredients, that works too. Now, today I'm using fresh blueberries, but if you are going on a longer camping trip, add any dry fruits, apricots, cranberries, blueberries, raisins, anything that's going to give your muffin just a little bit of sweetness and texture. You're going to bake your campfire muffin on a medium fire for around 20 minutes, or until a knife stuck into the center comes out clean. We're going to put a few coals on the lid of the skillet, just so you get a nice even bake all around. Once you've removed the coals from the top, oh, look at that. Perfect. Thank you! We love having you here, and we love it when you watch our videos. If you love our videos too, give us a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel for tons of free videos. If you're looking for the recipe, look in the description, or if you have a recipe you'd like us to try, then leave it in the comments section and we'll give it a whirl. Thank you, bye!